Alright, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Hunter Kingsbury ceiling fan that Dad installed. Watch the one that it gets in of the installation. Now I'm going to show you this remote. This is light. And here's the light. Now this is the fan. And now I want to start with high. Kind of hums a little bit. This is medium. This is low. And now I'm going to demonstrate with the light on. And now I'm going to leave it just the way it is on low, so because Mom just sleeps in there. So I'm going to turn everything off and talk about some general information later. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and there's lots of more to come.